this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 stock on a 6738. This ran from the 12th of 2012 to the 12th of 2018. It has a 3Z RAV 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 3Z RAV 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.